Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing natural disasters. If you see, I just bought some stuff in natural disasters. I bought an apple. I'm gonna tell you what this apple is for. This apple, you when you like your health goes down a little bit, you can like eat the apple like this. See? And this balloon makes you jump high. One time I jumped on the map once again. That was really crazy. Yeah. You also heal up, and it's really cool. Let me eat my apple. So we're just gonna see. And here's my friend. The reason why I don't hear him in his videos is his mic is really broken. I don't know why it's not getting fixed. It's weird. It's something weird.
I just bought a this thing. You can't see it, but it's like these buttons on it, and it's glowing when it's on. So I just bought that, and it still doesn't.
Hold guys, I know you're seeing a black screen right now. I know you're seeing a black screen, but don't worry. I am just changing my avatar just to make him look cool. Now it's never set. There you go. Oh, so my balloon just floated up right in the sky. That's pretty cool. See, this is my new outfit. I bought this Robux set outfit. Bought this 5 Robux for this outfit. Pretty cheap, but you still need Robux. What do we got? I don't know, I was just watching some ad. Okay, we're here in the game. Woo! 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 Boo. Woo! 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 Oh, guys, I need to stretch out. I need to stretch out. What are you talking that much? Oh no, I'm here. I gotta heal. I gotta heal. I gotta heal. I heal. I heal. Come on. Come on. Go. There we go. No. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa! You pushed me, dude.
Oh, I'm so sorry, man. Oh no. The thing fell.
There's another one.
Whoa.
There's another one too. Look.
What? That is weird.
That's a secret. Secret.
Guys, go hit the subscribe button if you want to check out one of our top favorite videos. They're one of the shorter ones, 3 minutes long. This one is probably really interesting, you guys. You probably go want to see this in this game mode of Roblox. It's called Roblox. It's in Roblox Scene with a Park. If you never heard that game before.
And you just need to check out.
Yeah, and it's called Roblox Scene with a Park Secret. There's some secret. Go watch that video. I'll show you where. We'll show you where it is.
It'll show you where it is, and it's pretty cool. It's a cool thing.
Yeah, it's like a private pool or something. You probably will like it. So go watch. You can go watch that video. It's called Roblox and Park Secret. It's probably right there next to you if you're not in like the full screen mode. You can probably see it right next to you. But oh my goodness, it's just appeared right on top of me. Oh my goodness. Oh my! I fell in the water.
I just went up here. I know it wasn't gonna go on top.
So that was weird, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed that video of Roblox Natural Survival. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a like. Maybe subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys next time. See you later.